Good morning everyone, welcome back to one more episode in our tutorial on building ChatGPT with React and Tailwind. In our last episode, we basically did our first request to the OpenAI. So let's say, how much is 2 times 2? And 2 times 2 is equal to 4. In this episode, we will basically reorganize and restructure some of our crucial information that we have and we need to save. To do so, we will first create a new folder named requests, and inside of it we are going to create two files: the config ai.jsx and the OpenAI requests.jsx. In the config, I will let that there. In the config, we are going to basically have this information there, and we are going to export this one. We also must not forget to call the imports, and in the OpenAI request, what we are basically going to do is, I believe I say basically a lot of times, we are going to copy this function, not in here, and we will also create an asynchronous export, actually an asynchronous function called getAnswer from AI, and it will be like this: answer prompt return C. This must be wait, and in here we of course need to import this function that we have just created. So we can do like this. Once this is done, we can start clearing up code in here. So all of this information is no longer needed. And in here, and now we have an error because this function is not defined, but that is not a problem. We will say we will create a function named answer, but this time it will not be too many things. We are just going to await our get answer from AI with our prompt that is defined in here, and once this is done, we are going to set our answer to C. Now I believe everything is done, but we can check to see if we have one error or any error. 2 times 10. Maybe we do have an error. Let's see. How much is 2 times 10? Oh, of course. We are saying get answer, but this is not expecting nothing in the prompt, so it was going empty, I believe. So let's say now if it actually changes anything. Set answer is not defined in OpenAI request. Set answer OpenAI requests. Let's see. Oh, of course, because in here, instead of set answer, we must return our new value. And if we have an error, we must also return it. So let's see now. Okay, now come here. I'm gonna refresh the page. How much is 2 times 10? Interesting. So let's see if anything. We do the get answer. The get answer comes here. Get answer from AI. It gets get answer from AI. Await get answer. Async function receives a prompt. Oh, of course, it's not waiting here for the prompt. And in here, get answer from AI. Now it will hopefully work. I should have refreshed it, maybe it would be better. How much is 2 times 10? Oh, and this was hopefully the last error. And okay, that was actually very interesting, the bug that was happening there. Senior care. But I believe that this is done. So let's say, how tall is Cristiano Ronaldo? Cristiano Ronaldo is 6 feet, 1.85 meters tall. So for this video, we are done. We are now basically organized in terms of requests, and our app.js looks way much tastier. We can also delete this, and we are actually not using Axios anymore. So as you can see in the 30 line page, we already have the necessary to start building the CSS of our ChatGPT. Next episode, we will define and we will code the basic structure. So let's say, for example, the chat on our left, our chats with ChatGPT on our left, and in our right, the main information will be to put the input text stuck down the page and start developing a more beautiful approach rather than this. Thank you very much, and we'll see us again in our next episode. Bye!